Anyhow guys, today we are doing another life hacks video. Please disregard my eyes. I tried to follow a makeup tutorial but it ended up looking like an eye disease, so try not to get too distracted from that. We are doing a life hack that will make your life better. And you know that song, "Now I'm at an all-time..." So that's how I feel right now. I can't afford Gucci slides, and so I have to buy these really cheap slides that just break all the time, and I'm sick of it. So I decided to make my own DIY hot glue slides. And actually, I didn't come up with that at all. I stole it from 5 Min Crafts. Let's figure out some kind of rating system to see the quality of these slides. So the way that we're gonna rank these slides is 3 rankings: fit, comfort, and fashion and style. So let's get to it. Okay, so what you will need for this hack is a pair of slides. Actually, I don't have a pair of slides because... So I think I'm just gonna like trace the outline of my foot and just go along with the tracings that they have, and hopefully that will work. And also, of course, hot glue gun, some wax paper, and a pencil. So first we are going to test fit. So let's slide her on. So for fit, I would say it's a little bit big, it's a little bit flimsy on me. That's not necessarily the hack's fault. I think that's more human error. I would say is about a 5 out of 10. Next test is comfort. Conclusion of the comfort test, I would say would be a 7 out of 10. A little lumpy underneath my feet, but overall it was nice to wear. It felt good on the feet. Okay, so the final measurement of life benefits is design, and I think the lattice work is quite stunning. Benefit score is 22 out of 30, and would I say my life is benefited? Yes. Well, really good that I wasted 2 hours of my life on this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try out the DIY slide, let me know. Tag me in a video or a photo. Zaijian.